Well, people, I'll tell you what, this is some bad wind. As you can see, the clam is down, and right now we're trying to circle the wagons, if you will, to save it. We got a school bus parked over here. Sal just came with his pickup. Hey, Sal. And I don't know what the wind gusts are, but I'm guessing it's probably about 40, 45 mile an hour sustained winds. And Sal, is there any way you can turn around and put the front of the truck right here?
Right behind her?
Yeah, the front of the truck.
All right.
All right. All right. Thank you, buddy. This just shows you guys, it don't matter. And you're at the mercy of Mother Nature. And yes, we're out here trying to become one with Mother Nature. And well, I think that, yeah, I think I became one right now. All you can do is, you know, like I say, like water off the duck's butt. I can't change it. So I got to roll with it. Roll off the butt. All right. I'll get back to you. Well, guys, sorry about the wind if you can hear it. And my voice is a little bit hoarse. But you can see where the clam used to be. The winds took it. I managed to catch it before it got into there. And got her all folded up with the help of Sal and Lisa. But you can see what it left us. Everything that was partially in there. Chairs got blue all around, so on and so forth. I guess there's a little bit of something in that lake we didn't catch. And I'm not going in there to get it. But guess what? We're still here. And we're still happy. We're still breathing. And I am upright. So it's a good day. We had to bring my truck here. So I'm running this truck here. And beach girl, Christine, put her schoolie next to our camper because our camper is off the truck and it is blowing pretty bad. She was quite the wobbler. Anyway, I'll get back to you and I will wrap up. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Well, guys, it's Randy. I'm in the camper now. You see what the carnage was, or destruction, if you will. But like I said, it didn't kill me. We're still here. As you can see, my trusty sidekick Ace is right beside me. He got a little bit scared, didn't you, buddy? Oh yeah. Okay, now he's a camera hog now. Anyway, this just shows that you're at the mercy of Mother Nature when you're out here. I don't care if you're in a tent, you better get out of it. You saw the clam. But that's one of the downfalls of being a nomad. But one of the good things is you can get in your rig and you can go. Now, me, on the other hand, I took the camper off the truck. That's not a good thing because if I left, I'd be leaving my home. We didn't leave. We just sat inside the truck, rode out the storm, if you will. Heck, 3 days ago, there was a fire about 10 miles away. And we just stayed put. Nothing we could do. They closed the roads and everything else. And the fire's still going, actually. They got it under control, but it's still going. Anyways, we're okay. I'll get back to you another day with another happier video. So, do what you do. You gotta do what you do to survive. There's the camera hog. Okay. Randy out. And Ace. Have a good night.